seeing an interesting trend here. Shiba Inu pretty much beating every other major top 2025 altcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the rest right now. In fact, there's really nothing else going on. And it's pretty interesting to look at in the context of everything else is flat, Shib's moving, Bone's moving. We're going to take a look at that in this video. As always, thanks for your support. All right, let's take a look. So as I said, so you can see that Shib's up 4.8 on the 1 day. It's up 10 plus on the 7 day, looking really, really good. And if we kind of back out and we look at the overall market, look, the overall market has moved down to 1,160 billion, down really 0.01, but nothing else going on. Bitcoin, Ethereum not doing anything. XRP down 1%, Dogecoin down 0.4, or excuse me, up 0.4, apologize. Cardano down 1. You can see everybody else, look, and you kind of keep going down, and then you've got Shib. Now, if you resort on the 24-hour here, you'll see exactly what I mean. You've got XDC at number 43. They're up 12 points. Probably got some announcement going on for them. OKB up 6. Casper, GMX. So you can see Shib's it as far as the top. Now, look, obviously right here, you've got Bone as well, moving pretty solidly and has been in the top 100. It's up 2% on the 24. It's up 7% on the 30, on the 7 day. And in fact, if we look at the 1 month on that, yeah, we're up 58+% on the 1 month. And remember me telling you about it for a while ago. Why is everything moving? Well, we all know. Come on, we know what's going on. We know that Bone is going to be the gas token for Shibarium. We know that Shibarium is forthcoming. In fact, we're probably only about 11 or 12 days away from that announcement. So that's the reason that I think that you've got Shib moving and really nothing else moving. You got Shib in the ecosystem components. So let's actually take a look at Leash as well real quickly. Let's see here. So if you look at Leash, it's up 1.5 on the 1 day. It's flat on the 7 day. That data just hadn't loaded yet. It's up 16% on the 7 day, and it's actually up about 63% on the 1 month. So it's actually 59%. It takes a minute for it to load. So it's doing almost exactly what Bone is doing. It's really moving along almost lockstep with Bone in that capacity. Okay, so Shiba Inu beating all others right now. We are moving up, and where nobody else is really doing anything. Obviously, it kind of makes sense in the context of Shibarium is forthcoming. It's just right around the corner, and I think you're going to continue to see Shib move. I did a price prediction video the other day talking about the fact that I think that Shibarium has the potential to move us, obviously, where we move back over and take over that 0, where we move out of the 5-0 number range. That's kind of where we're at right now, right? 5 zeros and then a number, and we move into the 4 zeros and a number. So we basically move over. So I think we might very well see that as a direct result and corollary with the launch of Shibarium. So moving back squarely into the kind of the 1 range, 1, 2, maybe even. If we get a lot of momentum, we could see, that 402 range. So pretty significant move up from here. Obviously, that's speculative. We'll see how it all plays out. Okay. That's all I got for you. Have a good one. Take care.